We take a look today at the trends in web design, and links to the highlighted articles are available in the description below to help you discover what you are searching for. Trendsdesignhugger, a subscription-based library with all the creative digital assets you need to build excellent websites, will be able to provide you with this article. All you have to do to expedite your creative process, from web layouts, themes, coding and plugins, and even store photos and film to deck your site. Check the list of exclusive offers in the description for the Trendsdesignhugger team. Let's go into that. Let's get into it. 1. Mode dark. 2. Media collage and mixing. 3. Anti-design. 4. Minimalism. 5. Design holistic. 6. Illustration of hand-drawn site design. 7. Features, inclusiveness, and accessibility. 8. Interaction and movement. 9. Design of geometry. 10. Constructors of pages and template kits. 1. Mode dark. White backgrounds have been viewed as standard for smart, basic web design readability, but designers employ increasingly dark mode, which allows the user to adjust the backdrop from luminous to dark. But this tendency is more than just increasing the prominence of different creative components. Studies have shown that it is simpler to utilize dark mode in our eyes, as it minimizes exposure to blue light and shine, plus savings on battery life. This means that several sites, like Johnny Vino, can tailor the user experience to interfere with dark and light themes by creating a web designer and an enthusiast for volleyball. Come to the dark side with this Codisapplico WordPress blog theme, combining the journalistic look and feel with the superior visual feel that we have come to expect of website designs in dark fashion. This theme is available on Trendsdesignhugger, Trendsdesignhugger's marketplace, where you can buy web assets separately and license them. 2. Media collage and mixing. Happens in relation to this web design trend in mixed media. For decades it has been fashionable to lay down and arrange pictures, images, and writings, and now it enters the digital field. Web designers may use a range of aesthetics and creative effects to transmit their message. Like the blurring of antique drawings and old-school pictures that foster the quirky and relaxed environment of the guesthouse near Athens City Circus. This cut-and-paste style might celebrate the appearance of DIY, but it can also be utilized to build a modern portfolio that provides a collection of photos that can also be purchased from Trendsdesignhuggers, such as this pastel-infused theme, Brynn, from the Elated Themes team. Not unexpectedly, in our 2020 roundup of the heatedest graphic design trends, the scrapbook appears and feels also. In the description below you may find a link to the video. 3. Anti-design. Love or loathe it, anti-design isn't ignored. This contentious style is inspired by the current revival of brutalism and undermines established pattern principles, and includes features that some consider ugly, such as challenging colors, asymmetric designs, mixed typeface and layered images. The design firm XXIX delivers a masterclass in this subversive aesthetic by blending the non-apologetically unusual style with a UX which is functional and usage pleasant. Get the rules violated by Edge Themes, Britain's creative agency theme, a daring brutalist design which can be downloaded from Trendsdesignhugger. It will certainly attract the interest of visitors to your site with its tight title text, sharp forms and blend of regular and italic copies. If you want to learn more about breaking the rules, check out our trends for UX and UI design and let us know about the polarizing design of Mechaland. See the link below for the description. 4. Minimalism. By removing web design from its most basic aspects, minimalism is still visible through the use of simple forms, clean text and empty space. As a proof of it, Brooklyn-based Huge Inc. is hosting a simple site with the highest level of appeal owing to a combination of monochromatic and vibrant color. The clean, matched interior design lets the screen width imaging shine, focusing on the design of the site and the originality of the work. Experience the style with the effortlessly sleek and modern Pimaze Vava model, which combines monochromatic pictures with a structured arrangement. This template also honors usability with its simple typography and responsive design, another trend we'll touch on later. Minimalism takes the world by storm for such a presumptive style and appears in our newest films of photography and typography trends, which feature plenty of basic footages and no series typefaces. In the description below, please check the links. 5. Design holistic. Web designers urged us this year to pause and smell the flowers with sites inspired by the great outdoors and the nature. Organic design incorporates earthy hues, natural forms, raw organic textures, flowering and vast vistas influenced by enhanced sustainabilities and environmental considerations. In order to get the image, explore the vineyards of Pavilion and Parakeet portrayed on the vivid web page of Molly Doker. The trend in collagen we described before also takes a nod at this site. Put Mother Earth in the natural model kit of Anareal Designex into your websites with the beers and blooms. Later on, we will discuss template kits, but you may get this item for now with a membership to the link below describes the trend designer. And see our organic graphic design trends post on my blog for additional environmental ideas. 6. Illustration of hand-drawn site design. Similar to organic design, the digital realm may be charmed by hand drawings. Wave away from the false standards of beauty and life in photography and express compassion and sincerity. A fantastic example of hand-drawn web design illustration is AHM. Through quirky cartoons with related events and hilarious settings, they offer a human factor to their health insurance policies. Hand-drawn components are available in many settings, such as coffee beans, art latte, and cups that come with the theme on Trendsdesignhugger's coffee drawn template. This topic is also part of our recent trend, organic design, with its natural neutral tones. If you're motivated to use pen on paper, stylus on screen, or if you're just interested in utilizing the graphics on Trendsdesignhugger to use this trend, check out our pictures on Trendsdesignhugger. The description below provides a link to this movie. 7. Features, inclusiveness, and accessibility. As brands and companies have been increasingly aware of the significance of delivering an efficient online experience, enhanced functionality has become a crucial element in web design as people look beyond what your website states what your website can do. However, it is not all about rapid load times, mobile responsive characteristics and sophisticated features. Elements like strong text background color contrast, simple copying and easy to spot buttons may greatly assist, as shown in this e-commerce portal Blue Receipt. Time to move forward with our next trend in site design. Just click, how do I earn money from Twitter? 8. Interaction and movement. Motion and interaction provide fresh life to static websites like the overall effects shown here on the homepage of GridSpace. In this example, user input produces movement on the page, both startling and attractive. To make your site design more moved, have a peek at Girish's Lottie GSFX animation. This package has over 1,000 adaptable animated visuals and movable components that interest the eye of the user. In the subtle animation part of our UX and UI design trends section, click in the description to learn more about adding motion into your website. 9. Design of geometry. This trend is designed for you if you are captivated by structure and symmetry. Geometry starts with a simple grid, and by the year 2021, there will be many of stripped down geometrical designs like the grid lines you see on this Railroad Ladies landing page. More sophisticated geometric patterns made up of polygons, diamonds, rectangles, and triangles are currently common on the web for some time, but more modern items such as three-dimensional forms and floating and spinning geometric objects have lately appeared in web design. You may utilize Media Group to add a modern geometrical edge to your website with this graphic template. Or draw inspiration in the pastel-colored aesthetic of Memphis that began everything to conjure a little of 80s nostalgia. This is one of the most popular trends in our retro design item. See the link below for the description. 10. Constructors of pages and template kits. Everyone needs a helpful hand from time to time. And you don't need coding expertise to develop a good website due to page constructors like Berg and Trendsdesignhugger. You may utilize a collection of models like a Trendsdesignhugger GSFX template kit to make things even simpler while guaranteeing that your website appears top of the list. Page builders are quick, code-free, and adaptable, providing unlimited configuration and excellent layouts. Trendsdesignhugger GSFX template kits provide a selection of professional website designs which work well in hand with the builders of your WordPress page. This makes it really easy to upload and manage a website in no time. For example, Themes are ready to add your content to the Formo architecture and design template kit. It offers a complete range of page kinds so that you may diversity page by page and keep overall design coherence. Ready to begin? Learn more about our blog article about template kits to develop entire WordPress sites with geometr quickly, easily, and totally flexibly. Then look at our top 10 template kits for all the possibilities. See the links below for the description. This is what you will see in 2021 with the trends in web design. Don't forget to want this video below if it was useful so we know that more stuff like this will always be produced. And subscribe to our newest stuff on geometr YouTube channel. Tell me, and tell us what trends you want us to highlight next in the comments below and get more trends and advice on my blog. For now, but if you want to remain around, click on the thumbnail at the top right corner of your screen for additional trends and tap the thumbnail in the bottom right corner to look at the next geometr video, chosen only for you. Next time, look at you.